A hiring manager spends 6 seconds scanning a dense text document like the left. The profile on the right prioritizes verified badges and links to project repositories proving technical competence immediately. In exactly 6 minutes, we are going to use my GitHub repository to help you build this professional presence and target specific paid internships. To start, prepare your workspace. Open your personal GitHub profile and your LinkedIn account in 2 separate browser tabs. Building a profile requires focus. You should target high-demand tracks like machine learning or business data analysis to ensure your skills align with current hiring trends. When you maintain updated projects in these specific fields, you signal to recruiters that your knowledge is current and ready for a professional environment. While a traditional resume lists your education history, this digital profile shows the actual project files that a hiring manager needs to see before they offer an interview. Begin by navigating to the root folder of the GitHub repository provided in the description. Look for the directory labeled Training Programs and open it. This educational platform interface shows a structured curriculum. You can use platforms listed in the repository, such as Edrock, to start building your technical baseline for free. Before you start any course, check the repository to see how recently the links and curriculum were updated. Warning tone. Spending weeks on a technology track that is several years old indicates to a recruiter that your training is already out of date. Completing these foundational courses establishes a baseline. It shows that you have the prerequisite skills required to advance toward more specialized internship roles. Once you have your baseline, move toward platforms like LinkedIn Learning that provide specific certifications for extended study. You cannot earn these by just watching videos. You must download and complete the provided practical labs to actually secure the credential. We use a strategy called dual verification. This combines a theoretical credential with a practical application to create a single verified skill. Take the certification URL from your completed course and add it directly to the Licensures and Certifications section of your LinkedIn profile. The second step is to take the actual lab files you coded during that course and upload them to a dedicated repository on your GitHub account. Inside that repository, create a readme.md file. Use this document to explain exactly what the code does and the technical problems you solved. You can further support these certifications by exchanging specific skill endorsements with your colleagues to validate the technical work you've posted. This dual verification strategy turns theoretical study into accessible, public evidence of your work, addressing 2 professional goals with 1 coordinated effort. Now that your profile contains verified work, return to the main folder of the GitHub repository. Open the document titled Internships and Scholarships. This document identifies recurring, remote, paid internships. These opportunities are cyclical, meaning their application windows open at the same time every year. These roles offer significant financial stakes, such as a $1,000 stipend for a 3-month remote project. The primary advantage of these programs is their conversion rate. Many of these internships lead directly to full-time employment contracts. Look at the application deadlines in the repository and add them to your personal calendar right now. By pairing verified skills with a specific application calendar, you transition from searching for work to strategically targeting predictable career opportunities. This strategy links your foundational training and dual verified skills directly to a calendar of paid internship deadlines. This visualization represents the cross-referencing process recruiters use. Every credential they find on LinkedIn now leads back to a working code sample on your GitHub. Your profile now presents a cohesive record of technical execution, rather than just a list of completed courses. You can access the GitHub repository through the link provided in the video description. Open the training directory and select a foundational course to begin building your first project. Once you have uploaded your first certificate and its matching code, return to this video and leave a comment to share your progress.